Hey guys, welcome back to Baking with a Sprinkle of Love, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a chocolate molten lava mug cake. That's right, it's a cake literally in the mug. So if you're craving something sweet and you don't have anything around the house, or you don't want to bake, or it's just too hot to bake like it is right now where I live, it's so hot, I hate baking. You literally just throw all the ingredients in a cup and pop it in the microwave and it's done in less than 2 minutes. So what you're gonna need is a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and some chocolate. So what you're gonna do first is throw all the dry ingredients in a mug. So I have the flour and sugar there, and I have the cocoa powder and the baking powder here. Just take a fork and combine those. Oh, it smells so good already. By the way guys, I used dark chocolate cocoa powder. You can use regular cocoa powder. I just love the way the dark chocolate tastes. Then in here I have my melted butter. Just throw in your egg and vanilla. And then I have my milk right here. Go ahead and mix that up. Just break up that egg, mix all these ingredients together. And go ahead and toss it right in with the dry ingredients. Do you guys like my son's Pac-Man mug? I almost lied and said it was mine. And this one is Carlos's mug. So thank you, Carlos and Mason. I have my own mug, but that one looks busted up. So you just mix this together. Make sure you really scrape the sides and the bottom. You don't want to end up with powder when you go to eat it. So it's all mixed up. Ooh, look at that dark chocolate, guys. So now you're gonna take your chocolate. You can use chocolate chips. I just have some Hershey's here. I have some chocolate chips in here too. And put them right into the center of your batter. Don't push it all the way down, just kind of let it sit. Put it right in the center of your batter. Let me show you guys. You can't even see, it's so dark. Just kidding. Well, you're just putting it right in the center of your batter. Whatever, let's throw in the chocolate chips too. Just push it down just a little bit. They should be poking out a tiny bit still. And then I'm going to throw mine in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. It honestly depends on the type of microwave you have. It can be 1 minute and 20 seconds. It can be 1 minute and 35 seconds. You just really got to time it out. But I'm going to throw mine in for 1.5 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is ready, and as you can see, it rises quite a bit. So make sure you use a pretty big mug. Okay, so let's see if I failed. If I failed, it's still gonna taste good. It's just basically gonna be a chocolate cake. But what I mean by if I failed is it's not gonna be a lava cake. Let's see. It's a lava cake. Do you see that at the bottom? Oh, I don't know if you can see, but it's steaming a lot, so I don't even want to try to eat it. You know what would be good with this? Ice cream. You guys should throw ice cream on top of this. Oh, that would be so good. Look at that, guys. Oh, that looks so good. Mason, you want to try this?
Ooh.
Hold on, stay right there though, because you're in your underwear. Or go run and put a shirt on. I'll blow it for him. Let's see what he thinks.
Well, I do.
So he doesn't like dark chocolate.
Well, I do like chocolate cake now.
I know you do.
When I was like 4, around 4, like I used to eat chocolate cake cake. Then I rubbed it around my belly. And even the next part is that
we'll be back, guys. I'm gonna help him real quick. Okay, ready? Come here.
Oh.
Okay, be honest. If you don't like it, it's okay.
Good.
Are you sure? Yeah?
It is very good.
Really good? All right, it's very good. Let me try it.
Super good.
It is pretty good. I think I'm gonna eat this whole thing by myself.
But sharing is caring, Mom.
You're right, son. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.
Hope you like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.
Bye, guys.